Okay guys, this is a Chubb padlock that I got from uklockpickers.co.uk. The reason I got it in a vice is because I'm left-handed, and with the way the tension was going, I wasn't able to pick it. The key bitting is pretty regular, but for some reason this is the first time I've been able to get this, and I've had this lock for about a month. So just show you that it is working. You can see his shackle there. Take that out and I'll lock it up for you. So she is locked. Being a left-hander has got its disadvantages, believe me, especially when it comes to tensioning. So I'm using a half diamond from the Majestic set, and hopefully get this picked on cam for you. Now, I was trying it with a short hook, but I was having to readjust and go in sideways with a short hook, so it wasn't doing me any favours at all. There we have it, one Chubb lock finally picked open. So thanks a lot, uklockpickers.co.uk, and thanks for watching guys. Cheers.